Hi and welcome back to Gray's Gardening. My name is Gray and today I'm here to give you a quick update on how the building project behind me is getting on. This is my new extension, and if you've been following my channel you'll see how it's been going over the last few weeks. Started about 6 weeks ago and this is how it's looking at the moment. So it's finally stopped raining. We've had so much rain recently. It's a bit windy today but the sun's shining, so let's get going and I'll show you around. Okay, so it's been a busy couple of weeks since I last filmed where we were up to. Over here we've got the side wall, both sides. This is going to be a single story across the back, which will be all open plan, leading into my kitchen and diner. And as we can see here, right in front of us with the steel across it, this is where my bifolds are going to be. Nice big 5-meter bifolds across the back, and then up along this side, up here, we're going up to the ceiling to give it a double story along the side. So double story with a single story at the back wrap around. Okay, so as mentioned, the steels went in this week. They're not fully secured up yet, but there's the big one across the back. Just coming inside. We've got two on here, which will support the upstairs from there. Coming along, we've got one on the back as well. So this will be, just in this space, will be the downstairs bathroom and toilet. Moving back a bit here will be the utility room. And if I just pan around here, this will be the kitchen diner. And then in a couple of weeks, all that'll be knocked out. That'll be all knocked through, and that'll lead then into the kitchen. So when I'm having my breakfast in the morning, that'll be my view, minus all the building material. So I'll be able to get my garden all neat and tidy once again. So just coming around to show you what's happened so far. All the concrete base is in. That was all dug out. Now this wall is being built. So you can see double thickness filled with the fiberglass for the extra insulation. And then above me is going to be, you can't really see, but above me will be the roof with the Velux windows. And then this archway is going to be literally a tunnel inside the house, which will run all the way down to here to be my access into the back, from the front to the back, without having to take things through the house. So bikes, bins, wheelie bin, that kind of thing. Okay, so as mentioned, there was just a quick update to show you how it's going. I'll do one of these every week or every other week, but as this is my gardening channel, I thought it would be nice just to show you a few little updates that I wanted to show you as well from the home garden. Okay, so some of the flowers starting to come out now. The Irrigatia, very close to coming into flower. Grew them from seed about 3 years ago, and as they are a perennial, they just keep coming back. They're in that trough, so they'll be out very soon. The first Dahlia's come out. Not bad, although something's been eating the leaves a little bit, but beautiful colours. And I've got a good few more buds still to come out there. The baby banana I dug out. He's doing pretty well, but these are looking like they're going to be spectacular. These are my Gladioli. So we've got a nice big purple one. Look at the size of that. At the back, more of a reddy one, and then this was the first one that came out. Lovely peachy colour. So I'll have a load of colour in that corner very soon. And if we just come around here, I did say it was getting a bit windy. We'll just go through the willow, and I want to give you an update from the other week whereby it looked like my Flamingo Salix was dying, but thanks to Ali from my Rusty Garden, she said put it in a slightly sheltered spot. It still gets a bit of sun in the morning, but it's a lot more sheltered, and look at this, practically fully back to life. So in the last video it looked like it was dying, now it's back to life. So thank you, Ali, for that little tip. I do always like to just show you my stag's horn. Very tropical looking trees. It just goes very well in my secret garden down here, away from it all, away from the building and everything else. And just finally, I wanted to show you this. This is a poinsettia. Some people might recognize them as the plant you get at Christmas. Lovely red leaves mixed in with the green. Now, every year these tend to die off by about the end of January, February. They're literally a Christmas plant. But I've managed to keep mine alive till now. Don't know whether that's going to now live right through till next Christmas, but who knows. So I thought I'd just show you that one because it's still pretty nice and pretty. Okay, thanks everyone for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Thanks as always for all your lovely comments. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to the channel. It really helps the channel grow and helps me being able to just keep producing more and more videos for you. So tune back in soon, see the latest updates, and I'll be back down the allotment this week as well. But thanks everyone, take care, speak to you soon. Bye.